Welcome to Cardinal Santos Medical Center.
Emergency Department.
Strategic Planning 2019.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the pain. Let the boulders fly, let them rain.
Good day. I'm Pierre Sarmiento, the head nurse of Emergency Department of Cardinal Santos Medical Center. We conceptualized this strategic planning 2019 to make a difference. The objective of this strategic planning is to build camaraderie, number one, and to strengthen our team spirit. For the past years, ginagawa namin strategic planning, mag-outing kami, iinom, tapos uuwi. And this is the kind of strategic planning that I envision to bring out the best in every emergency department staff. And we used to hold this slogan, work hard, play hard, work even harder. At palagi kong sinasabi sa ED team, emergency sa team sport. Rock on!
From junior to clinical nurse educator. From nothing to gaining something that is different. And from nothing or from hardship to championship. From my seniors, from my juniors, thank you for everything. And the purpose of this team building is to gain something and to solidify the team na kakaiba. So, we're leaving legacy para sa team na to, and I hope na mayroon tayong matutunan at may natutunan tayo, may na-impart ang knowledge and skills sa inyo. And that's it. Signing out. Thank you. This is Emergency Department. PR is a team sport. By the way, I'm Samson, Clinical Nurse Educator of Emergency Department. Peace out, dude.
It's getting serious on this track, ma'am. You did it, Millhouse.
Valencia. I'm a surgeon in Cardinal Santos Medical Center. I was assigned as the head of the department of emergency department in the Cardinal Santos Medical Center for already 2 years. So right now, it's been our third outing or team building, but this time, as mentioned by our head nurse, Pierre Sarmiento, that this one is going to be different. Different in so many ways. It's not just going to be party, as mentioned, but we're going to build a strong friendship, relationship, and a family, actually, so that they will not just be working in our department as nurses, but as brothers and sisters. The emergency room doctors are here also to develop relationship with the nurses, to develop the camaraderie, the team spirit, in order for them to work hard and work in a continuous manner na parang sama-sama na hindi lang as formally na nurse and doctor, but as a family. Para saluhan kung may problema at syempre tulungan para makaangat sa department namin. So hopefully this team building will be successful na syempre as well planned by the organizers, and syempre I'd like to thank everyone for being here.